Today I went to the farmer's market and I got some heirloom kale. See how big it is? 2 bunches and some heirloom tomatoes and cucumbers. I'll make into a salad. I'm not gonna eat all of it in one meal. It'll be a couple of meals. It's so easy to make salad from these beautiful veggies. I like to separate my leaf from my stem. I cut the stem off as far as I can and make this into a leaf salad, and the other times with the stem salad. With the stem I will process it, make it smaller and finer because it's really tough to eat, but it is the most nutritious. The stem is the most nutritious of the leaf right here. You don't throw them away. You do not throw the stem away. Process it, make it choppy, cut it up and eat it in a different salad. After I wash it, I would like to dry spin it. A dry spinner is a necessary for all kitchen. It tastes so much better when your greens are dry. Before I got this, I used to try to shake it out before I eat it, but there's still some water and it doesn't taste as good when it's dry. I can leave it out and get it air dry. After washing and drying the kale, I like to chop the kale in small pieces. One way is with scissors like this. I can also use a knife with a cutting board and slice it up in small pieces like this. But with this, you only need scissors to cut them. Cut them very small. Now I will massage the kale. It makes it smaller. The problem is that when we eat the greens, we don't chew it long enough and hard enough, so our stomach will have to work harder to digest it. So now we're doing this, we'll make it smaller and feels like it's cooked. And we should not cook our greens because when you cook it, high heat will destroy nutrition. By doing this, the kale, the veggies, the greens are down to small little pieces. Not much. Look how beautiful these tomatoes are. It smells very good also. Wish you were here, you can smell it. So much different from the tomatoes in the grocery store. Heirloom chopped tomatoes. This is leftover chopped carrots, yellow carrots. Goes in here. Chopped radish, and I have hot pepper to give it a little spice and flavor, just a little bit because I can't eat hot very much, just cut in small pieces. I remove the seeds. Here are some Katamata olives and 1 cube of feta cheese. I don't buy cheese. This cheese was given to me. I don't eat it, but I do still like it. And I have mini doma, the Greek grape leaves. Inside is rice. I don't eat rice. I have bought some doma grape leaves. They have, so here it is. It gives a little flavor to the salad. That's it. That's my salad. I also cut the Katamata olives to give it to be uniform and give it flavor throughout. Small pieces. Everything is small pieces. Now all we need to stir it up. I will also taste it. If I need more flavor, I will add more doma grape leaves. I'm also going to add some diced up leftover potatoes that I had steamed yesterday. It's good to eat potatoes in the fall and winter time. When it's cold season, you want more substance and eat more. So I add some more potatoes. More potassiums, more flavor, and healthy filling. See how dark and rich the kale greens from the heirloom greens are? It is much darker and greener than the regular kale that you find in a grocery store. The greener it is, the more nutrition it has. It gives the body color instead of turning white and gray. It slows down the aging process. The greens are very difficult to eat, but when you add other stuff, it is delicious. Here is my heirloom kale with veggies and potato salad. Also included is the Katamata olives and grape leaves.
Okay. In the fridge, please refrigerate them. Oh.
I'll fill up.